Welcome to Feridax Max. Now we're going to take a look at the SHOEI Universal Intercom Holder. Now if you're familiar with the GT Air 2, NEOTEC II and J Cruise 2 helmets, you'll know that they come prepared to house the SRL2 communication system from Senna. Now if you choose one of the other helmets available from SHOEI, you can now get the universal solution that's easy to install and compatible with most clamp-style intercom systems on the market. This is the SHOEI Universal Intercom mount. It attaches to the helmet using Velcro and a self-adhesive pad. Not only does this give you the opportunity to easily remove or install your intercom on the helmet, it prevents any risk of damaging the helmet or affecting the fit by wedging something on the inside of the shell. The Universal Intercom Holder is suitable for any SHOEI model that does not already feature SRL2 compatibility. The SHOEI Universal Intercom Holder is available now. For more information, please contact your Feridax account manager.